Welcome to Sleep Inn and Suites Birmingham, Hoover, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of Alabama's vibrant city. Scan the QR code on your screen now to secure your stay at this welcoming retreat, designed for both business and leisure travelers seeking a seamless experience. From the moment you step into the modern lobby, you'll be greeted by warm hospitality and an inviting atmosphere. Each of the 59 thoughtfully appointed rooms offers a haven of relaxation, blending contemporary touches with the comforts of home. Whether you're traveling solo, with family, or on business, every detail has been considered to ensure your stay is as effortless as it is enjoyable. Renovated in 2021, the hotel effortlessly balances timeless charm with modern amenities. Begin your mornings with a leisurely breakfast before exploring Birmingham's attractions, or unwind in the evening with a refreshing drink at the cozy bar. For those who wish to indulge in a bit of retail therapy, the on-site shops offer a curated selection of souvenirs and essentials. Check-in at 3 p.m. allows you to settle in at your own pace, while a noon checkout ensures you can savor every moment before departure. At Sleep Inn Suites, every stay is designed to be as comfortable as it is memorable. Don't forget to scan the QR code now to book your next getaway, where convenience and comfort await.